What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be doing the unboxing and first impressions on the iPhone XR Product Red Edition. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so I am honestly hyped right now. I really haven't used iPhones too much, honestly. The one time that I did use it, I actually used it for a week and I didn't like it too much, so I am giving it another try. Obviously, you guys know that I do rock with Android, but we got the iPhone XR in the house, 64GB variant, Product Red Edition, and let's go ahead and read the specifications off. Now, as far as the specifications go, we do have a 6.1-inch LCD Retina display. Now, we do have a Super Retina and OLED display on the iPhone XS, hence why this is going to be the budget iPhone, or I'm calling it the budget iPhone. Now, this does have an LCD Retina display, and it is going to be 1792 by 828, and it's going to be 326 on the PPI level. Now, a lot of people are asking, can you play 1080p on the screen? And yes, you can play 1080p as far as, you know, the YouTube application and some other movie and video applications on here. It is going to be downscaled, so just know that. Now, as far as the iOS on this, obviously iOS 12. For the rear-facing camera, we do have a single 12 megapixel camera. We don't have the dual setup like we saw on the iPhone XS, but honestly, software should be able to cover this. And as far as the front-facing camera, we do have a 7 megapixel with Face ID camera. As far as video capture, we can still capture in 4K. Now, we do have the Apple A12 Bionic chip in this, so this is gonna be very speedy. I believe this has 3GB of RAM inside of it as well, so that's a nice thing. I believe for the iPhone XS it had about 4, but the operating system and everything should be running very smooth on this device. Really haven't used an Apple device that has slowed down too much, just because the operating system is very smooth. Now, as far as the storage options we have on this device, we have 64, 128, and 256. And also for the battery, it says Apple claims it will last 90 minutes longer than iPhone 8 Plus, and it seems like people have been testing it and it actually lives up to the expectations, so we're definitely going to test that out as well. This also includes water resistant, so this is going to be IP67, dual SIM capabilities, wireless charging, and Face ID. We also have an emoji for the people who care about that or use it. Now, as far as the starting prices on these devices, if you're in the United States, it's going to be $749 for the 64GB model, $799 for the 128, and $899 for the 256GB version. Now, obviously, as I said before, I copped the 64GB Product Red Edition, so after tax in California, this was about $820. Let's go ahead and get this unboxed. Alright guys, so I'm a bit of an Apple virgin, so this is going to be kind of weird for me, but let's go ahead and open this up. It's kind of cool that we have it as the same color as the phone on the side right there, and we have this 3D box phone right here. Pretty dope. Let's go ahead and take this off. Designed by Apple in California. So inside of here, we have the Product Red manual right here. It says, in partnership with Red, Apple will contribute portions of your iPhone purchase to the global funds to support HIV/AIDS. Pretty dope. Next, we have a manual. We have the SIM ejector tool. We have some other random information, and we have stickers. Always cool to have those. We have the phone right here. Let's go ahead and put this to the side. Wow, this is actually kind of heavy and kind of bulky as well. Nice. Looks pretty though. The red is freaking epic. Wow, that's a very nice looking phone. Guys, the red in real life is going to look much deeper, I think, than you think. So it's going to be dope. And on the sides, it's like a metallic red. We'll go to that in a second, but that's awesome. Next thing we have right here is the puny wall charger. Wow, that's very small. We also have our ear pods, and these are going to be wireless, obviously. And we're also going to have our lightning cable right there. All right, guys, so we have the phone right here. Let's go ahead and take this off. Always so satisfying. Okay guys, so phone in the hand, very pretty phone. As you guys can see on the side, we have this metallic type red, and if we go to the back, we have this kind of painted cherry red. I would say, honestly, looks like a Ferrari type red, which is really sexy, honestly. I'm kind of glad I got the red now. It looks really, really dope. Now, another cool thing that I saw right here is we do have the product red right here. So we have the stamp of approval that this is product red, and we have the iPhone right there. Obviously the silver Apple right here, which is pretty dope. Looks like a mirror. Right here we have the camera. Also looks like we have a mic below that, and we also have a LED flash. Bottom of the phone, it looks like we have our speakers and we have our lightning cable port. Left side of the device, we have our volume up and down button, and they are spaced, so definitely like that coming into iOS. We also have a manual mute button, which is pretty cool. I actually like that they have that. Right side of the device, we have a power button and nothing at the top. So let's go ahead and boot up this phone. Obviously we have all the Face ID features up here in technology. We have the camera as well as the headset. So let's go ahead and boot this up. Now, the thing that I'm really excited with this is the screen. I feel like the screen is going to be pretty decent because I did see the iPhone XR in person and I thought it looked really nice. And honestly, 6.1 inches is the perfect phone size for me because I do have big hands, and this just seems like not too big and not too small. It seems like a very perfect sizable phone right here. So very nice, comfortable phone. But yeah, as we can see, we do have thicker bezels on this phone. Not crazy thick, but definitely thick with 2 C's. Also the body, definitely a thicker phone than the iPhone XS and other iPhones, so kind of feels like an iPhone 7 or 8 to be quite honest, but very nice holding in the hand so far. Okay guys, so I'm honestly amazed by this display on how beautiful it is. And yeah, there's no way you're going to be able to tell the difference between, I don't think that even the iPhone XS and the iPhone XR. Yeah, this is an amazing display right here. Amazing display. Obviously smoother than butter through the OS, but amazing display. That red background's amazing. The screen's beautiful, and yeah, I think that's the point where people look at like, oh, how is the display, because obviously we have an OLED display on the iPhone XS. I really don't think there's going to be a difference, like too much of a difference, honestly. For the tech nerds even out there, and for the people just buying this as an average consumer, you will be happy. You will definitely be freaking happy, because I am an Android user, and I'm honestly excited to be using this phone right now. Definitely love this phone. Bezels are a bit big, but honestly, I really can't complain. Fluidity of this is amazing. Going from Apple to Android, especially mid-range Android to Apple. Absolutely love this right here. Definitely a great display. It's running perfectly right now, and yeah, unboxing and first impressions has been amazing with this device so far. Obviously we have many more Android devices to go, and I think there are some better devices out there, especially $749 can go a long way in the Android world, and I would probably go with something Android just because I'm used to it. But so far, oh my god, wow, this is there. Yeah, you guys shouldn't be scared to buy this device like at all. Beautiful phone right here. Beautiful phone. Awesome. Apple, great job, by the way. People are going to be very happy with this, and yeah, I think definitely worth the price so far. Honestly, I don't see a difference between the screen of the iPhone XS and the XR. If there is, it's very small. But yeah, loving this so far. But yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you guys are not part of the Tech Gang already. Also hit the notification bell down below if you guys want to be a part of the notification squad. But damn, this has honestly surprised me so much. Good job. I'm going to be posting pictures on Instagram and Twitter, so definitely follow me on Instagram down below as well as Twitter. This has been fun from TechRight, guys. Peace out.